Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract audios from any video file within the Filmora application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Filmora app on your device and you may create a new project to import this video from which you want to extract your audio. Then just choose the video file and tap on import, and now this will be added to your timeline. After it is done, go ahead and tap on this video file, and now from the options underneath, swipe to the right and you will see the extract audio button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now this will extract the audio file from this video as a separate file within the audio track. You can now control this audio file independently of the video layer. You may change the volume and fade levels, and you can also add voice effects to change your voice into various different kinds. And through this method, you will be able to separate audios from any of your video file. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to extract audio from any video files using Filmora. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.